Good morning, everyone. It's really early. It's not even 10. I'm going to try and do something I've seen on the internet, and I will give credit to the person I saw it do it in the information below. So I'm going to do a little variation because I think it'll work out better. First off, what I'm going to do is with some really old body lotion, I'm going to rub it into the molds that I'm going to use, because I want the plastic to really stick to the sides and not droop. So that's why I'm putting lotion on, but you can use Vaseline or something like that. That'll all work. Okay, so that's covered. Now I've lost, oh no, my plastic is here. So I'm gonna put some plastic in here. And that's what I thought. See, that's nice and tight up against the edges. That's it. And you're thinking, what in the world is she doing? Well, you'll see in a bit. It's going to be a resin, sort of a resin bowl. So we're going to put that right in there, make it nice and smooth. There you go. See, the lotion helps keep it to the sides and not, you know, tumble in, and keeps the creases out a little bit. I did expect a little bit more stickiness, but we'll see. Doesn't have to go over the sides. It's just, you know, about the bottom. We'll just see what happens. Pulling it a little tighter because I'm pretty sure those creases are going to be seen in the resin. But I think we're almost there. Okay, we're ready. Now I'm going to mix up some resin and I'll be right back. I thought I'd just video it, me mixing the resin, because if you don't want to see it, you can fast forward. So I'm going to be using the mica, whatever you want to call it. And it's from Primary Elements down in the good old US of A. So if you want some of these beautiful, look at those colors. If you want this, it is colorart.com. I'll put the link beneath the video. So you only need to use a little bit, as you can see. A little bit goes a long, long way. I think we need a little bit more resin in this one, because I also like this color a lot. So let that sit there. So we have a greenish, bluish. I want an aquamarine. Let's see how this one works out. Oh yeah, that's a nice sea color. Look at the color. Look at that. This has a beautiful bluish sheen on it. This is really beautiful. If you buy some, this one is especially for resin. As you can see, Resin Art, Luster Pigments. This one is the aquamarine, and this is the website. Oh, I don't have to put it down there. You can see it. www.colorart.com. That's where you get it. And this is especially for the for resin, but Primary Elements works well too. But you can see the bluish bluish sort of a sheen that's coming over it. It's really pretty. Okay, I was going to do, was this Stargazer? Yeah. I think I'll just do one more because I'm going to keep some clear. I think I'll do the ocean blue. And we'll take this one. See, just a little tip of the little popsicle stick, and look at the color. As you can see, there's enough in there to color all the resin beautifully. We'll keep these two to do the sides. I think I have enough here. Maybe not. Okay, one more. African Jade. Love that color too. We'll just mix it up because we might have to use it all. A little bit more in here. There you go. Dripping all over the place. I'm glad I did do this one because that is a really pretty color too. And then this one, I want something really light. So let me look. I'm going to use Pearl X for this one. These are really expensive. There's just not that much of that pearly stuff in there. I'm not sure how expensive Pearl X is in the USA, but over here it's pretty expensive. More expensive than that one. Just a little bit more. Just a tiny bit. Okay, now this one is, looks like white, but when the light catches it, it's kind of blue. So these are the ones we're going to use. Okay, let's put these away, because we need a little room. Now, when I watched the video, she did it on the back of the bowl, like here in this, because it has that little upstanding rim, but I want it to be a little bit thicker, so that's why I thought I'd put it in here. But when you put it in something like this, you can't get to the resin to make those beautiful, you know, pour things. So we'll see what happens. So I'm going to, maybe I can do a dirty pour in here. Nah, let's not do that. So I'm going to pour it in the middle. And I'm going to go a little bit by color. And then the light one, I want the light one around the edges. There it is. And then I'd like the dark one in here. And then more of the really dark one around here. Okay. And then of course we want to manipulate it a little bit. But I do like the dark on the bottom. So this is going to be really nice. Trying to get that up to the sides. See, this was what I was afraid of. Well, we'll see. Now I'm going to add a little bit more of the colors. I'm going to use it all. Just to give it a little bit of variation. Some more of the blue in the middle. Because I wanted to make it a little thicker than she did. I don't know why, but it just feels better. So we're going to put that back in the middle. And you're still thinking, what on earth is she doing? Okay. Now, the last I have, I'm going to take some out because I know this is too much. So we're going to pour this in here. There you go. And these we're going to put only on the top or around the edges. That's what I plan to do. That's nice. Really want some more up here. Oops. Don't go to the middle. You have to stay up here. Okay, thinking that I got enough. I can always put a few more in, that's no problem. Because I don't think I have enough blue ones. Okay, that's it. I'm going to save a few. I will put a little bit of clear on the outer side, just a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Or everything's going to go to the center, and we don't want that. We want a little bit of this going up. That. Okay, this is it. We will be back in about 3 hours. I'm going to clean this all up and I'll do some pouring. See you in about 3 hours. Okay guys, new day. The problem is I didn't video that I put it over the mold, so I'm going to tell you how I did it. I pulled up the whole resin out of the bowl and I just placed it on top of a, let's see if I can show it to you because I stuck it with tape. I put it over just a jar, you know, to give it the mold, and I put some aluminium foil to keep the sides a little bit open. So now we're going to take it out. Oh, that is beautiful. I didn't expect it to be this beautiful. Look at that. It's almost like glass. See that? And here you can see the mold. Look at it. That is beautiful, isn't it? It's like a splash in the ocean, and that was what I was going for. And it stands perfectly flat. See that? This is the most beautiful thing I've made. I can't help it. I'm really... See, there's here and there are little things going on, but you can take them off, or you can just torch them, I'm pretty sure. Let's see if we can do that without ruining it. But can you see how sparkly it is because I used the mica? Let's see. Yeah, see, that works. I'll do that later on. But this is just beautiful. Look at the detail. And that's what the plastic does. But it also sort of reminds me of splashing water. There are some beads in here that you saw me put in there. There's only a few little, see these little things on there? Let me get... I'm going to make a video of it outside in the sun because I'm sure you're going to love seeing that. See, you just have to really be careful with these little things, but you can just cut them off. Here's another one. There it goes. Just make it nice and smooth that no one catches their fingers on it. But I think we're there. That's really pretty. That's it. I'm going to do a little video outside in the sun so that the sun catches it, just to show you how pretty it is. Now, if you want to create this, all you have to do is follow the directions that I did in the beginning of this video. You wait 3.5 to 4 hours, and then you can pick it up out of your bowl, and you can place it on top of something like this. I use this because it's a little bit oval, but you could go for a bigger jar. That's no problem whatsoever. But I put it over this, and then I put these little bits of aluminum foil under. See, let me show you. See, you could do it like that, but it will go really straight down. So you need to put the aluminum foil in here to make it stand out a little bit more. That's all there really is to it. And then you get this. Love it. Okay, see you in a bit.